We'll practice checking if two expressions are equivalent. Here's the problem. Are 3 times the quantity 2x minus 4 plus 5 and 6x minus 7 equivalent? Justify algebraically and verify. First, we expand the first expression. 3 times 2x minus 4 gives 6x minus 12, then plus 5, which simplifies to 6x minus 7. This matches the second expression exactly, so they are equivalent. Now we verify by substituting a value, say x equals 2. For the first expression, 3 times 2 times 2 minus 4 equals 3 times 0 plus 5 equals 5. For the second, 6 times 2 minus 7 equals 12 minus 7 equals 5. Both equal 5, confirming they are equivalent. To check equivalence, simplify one expression to see if it matches the other, then verify with a test value.